Unlock the secrets of scalp health. Scalp Serum Explained. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into the world of hair care to unravel the mysteries of scalp serum. This is a product you might have heard about, but what does it really do? Stay tuned as we explore this intriguing topic and learn how it benefits your scalp and hair. A scalp serum is a specialized hair care product designed to nourish and treat the scalp. Unlike shampoos and conditioners that primarily focus on the hair, scalp serums are packed with vitamins, minerals, and active ingredients that target the skin beneath your hair. The health of your scalp is crucial because it's the foundation from which your hair grows. A healthy scalp means stronger hair, less dandruff, and improved hair growth. Scalp serums can help maintain this balance, keeping your scalp in its best condition. Using scalp serum is quite straightforward. After washing your hair, apply a small amount directly to the scalp. Gently massage it in with your fingertips to ensure it's evenly distributed. It's a leave-in treatment, so no need to rinse it off. When selecting a scalp serum, consider your scalp condition. Are you dealing with dryness, oiliness, or sensitivity? There are formulas for every type of scalp concern. Look for ingredients like tea tree oil for cleansing, peppermint for stimulation, and hyaluronic acid for hydration. I hope this video clears up the mystery of scalp serums and you're now equipped to make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. Remember, a happy scalp means happy hair. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll uncover more English language secrets.